Hi, Coach. Today we will discuss the one-on-one programs feature within CoachVantage. CoachVantage provides the nuts and bolts for you to easily sell your coaching programs or packages online, even if you don't have your website created just yet. The entire client onboarding and enrollment process is automated and seamless. Please note that the number of coaching programs you can have depends on your CoachVantage subscription. On the Clarity plan, you have up to 2 coaching program sign-up pages and 4 contract e-signature requests per month. Whereas on the AHA plan, you have an unlimited number of coaching program sign-up pages and unlimited contract e-signature requests. Let's go back to the one-on-one programs page. On this page, you will see a URL link to all of your programs, a search bar where you can search by program name. In addition, there are also these sorting icons to sort by your programs, a Create New Program button, a View All Enrollments button, program cards, and lastly, program status tabs. The URL link to all programs is a web page that lists all of your programs that you've made available to clients to sign up to. In this example, there are 4 active programs, including your Journey to Optimal Nutrition, Staying Active coaching program, etc. We also see here that there are 3 inactive programs and 5 drafted programs. Let's take a closer look at the URL link to all of your programs, which can be found here. The URL link to all programs is a web page that lists all of the programs you have made available for your clients to sign up for. When you click the 3-dot menu, you will see that you can easily copy this link and share it anywhere, including Facebook, Instagram, your newsletter, etc. You can also easily embed the programs page onto your website by utilizing the code and pressing copy, and then pasting that code onto the back end of your website. For more information, read the How to Embed Your Sign-Up Page to Your Website article in our Help Center. Now, let's take a look at the search bar, which is located here. Use the search bar to type in the name of your program that you're looking for. Alternatively, you can sort your programs by alphabetical order or the recency of your coaching program. Click the Create New Program button to create a new coaching program. For more information, please refer to the article in our Help Center titled How to Create a Coaching Program. Click the View All Enrollments button to view the client enrollments and status of your coaching programs all in one place. As you can see here, you have the program name, the total number of enrollments, and your total earnings. Going back to the programs page now, you will see that there are coaching cards. In this case, you have 4 coaching cards because you have 4 active programs. If one of your programs is no longer active, be sure to click the toggle Active and it will change to inactive upon selecting yes. You'll see here that on a program card, you can easily view the title of your program, the session duration, the amount per session, and the fees affiliated with the program. You can even view the sign-up page to see what your client will see upon sign-up. If one of your programs is no longer active, be sure to select the active toggle and make it inactive by selecting yes. To edit a program, simply select the 3-dot menu. You will see here you have the choices to edit, copy sign-up page URL link, invite clients, preview sign-up page, or embed the program onto your website. By clicking Edit, just remember that you can easily change the program description, automation rules, or even fees associated with the program. Before wrapping up this video, I'd like to share one last note about these 3 tabs: active, inactive, and draft programs. Please note that you cannot delete an active or inactive program. However, you can delete a draft program. If you would like to enable a program once again, click Inactive. Let's say you'd like to make this program active again. Simply select the toggle, and yes, you do want to make it active. And that program will be found here under your active programs. I hope this video has been helpful for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Happy coaching!